Welcome to our in-depth look at the HP ZBook 17G5 mobile workstation laptop. A mobile workstation laptop is a high-performance laptop built for professionals who need to run demanding applications, such as 3D modeling, video editing, engineering simulations, and software development. How does it differ from an ordinary laptop? Let's break it down. In short, a mobile workstation laptop offers the power of a desktop workstation with the convenience of portability, setting it apart from ordinary laptops. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the features and benefits of the non-refurbished HP ZBook 17G5 mobile workstation. For further information about these laptops, please refer to online sources. Welcome to our guide on understanding the difference between non-refurbished original used laptops and refurbished laptops. Non-refurbished original used laptops are second-hand laptops that remain in their original condition, without any alterations or repairs, typically comes with very minor signs of wear and tear or without, but maintain their original components and performance. Refurbished laptops, on the other hand, are used laptops that have been repaired with non-genuine parts, cleaned, and repainted by sellers to make them look and function like new. They may look new on the outside but can have mismatched or low-quality internal parts that impact performance and reliability. Be cautious of sellers who advertise refurbished laptops as new or fail to disclose the extent of repairs done. These can be scams, leaving you with a laptop that doesn't perform as expected. Understanding the difference between non-refurbished and refurbished laptops can help you make an informed purchase and avoid potential scams. To avoid scams, always buy from reputable sellers like us. Always check the laptops physically, and ask for detailed information about the laptops whether it is refurbished or original. And remains in its original condition with only very minor wear and tear. Despite slight signs of previous use, these laptops look and perform like brand new ones. To ensure optimal functionality, we maintain the original manufacturer's specifications without compromising on the original design and engineering. Be assured contain genuine components. We truly test all laptop components with military-grade rigor to ensure they are in 100% working condition and as good as new. Our comprehensive testing process includes These rigorous tests ensure that our laptops deliver top-notch performance and reliability, maintaining a condition that is as good as new. Understanding the difference between non-refurbished and refurbished laptops can help you make an informed purchase and avoid potential scams. Stay informed and choose wisely. Your next laptop purchase can be a smart investment. It is designed for professionals who require high performance, reliability, and advanced features for demanding tasks. Here's a list of people. If your work involves resource-intensive applications or you need a machine that offers both power and portability, the HP ZBook 17G5 is an excellent choice. The price of this laptop is reasonable and affordable compared to others. While it may be slightly higher than refurbished laptops, the value and peace of mind it offers are unmatched. Laptops come with a 1-month warranty that covers all hardware components, as well as a 1-year service warranty. This service warranty includes free phone support, remote assistance, and other support services to ensure your laptop remains in optimal condition. Customer service details. Our dedicated customer service team is available at our store from Monday to Sunday, 10:30 a.m. to 9 p.m., to assist you with any queries or concerns. We deliver across all of India, with shipping times varying based on distance. For detailed information on shipping and return policies, please visit www.fastertechs.com/shipping. Check us out on Google under Faster Technologies to read our client testimonials. We have achieved over 500 Google reviews with a 4.9 star rating, reflecting the high satisfaction of our customers, even with used products, due to our genuineness, reliability, and excellent service.